Today, in modern times, era of technology, time seemingly runs our life. We all know what time it is, but have we ever thought of what is time? It is unavoidable, cannot be explained by even the smartest people on the earth, cannot be retrieved. It is just lost in the past. This makes time the most invaluable commodity because no one can buy, no one can go back in time, and no one can stop it. Once the moment is gone, it is gone forever. In today's very busy lifestyle, time is everything, and for some, timing is everything. We hear most of the people saying, I do not have time. मेरे पास समय नहीं है. This makes us think about time. Value of priceless time is only realized when we do not have it. In ancient period, time was measured not in minutes, hours, or seconds. The measurement of time then was pal, ghadi, muhurt, prahar, and only described by samay, avlika, palyopam, and sagropam. Day consists of 60 ghadi, as one ghadi matches to 24 minutes of modern time system. Here is the simple but elegant ghadi that was used for monitoring time during Samayik. Generally, no electricity or batteries are used during Samayik. Samayik means समता भाव की आराधना, equanimity. Samayik is the smallest practice to Sanyam Jivan in real life. Our Jain monks attain Samayik for a lifetime. Means they practice Samta Bhav at all times to achieve goal of moksha. Moksha is the end of miseries of life, dukh, and the end of birth and death cycles. Whereas to remind Shravak and Shravika of becoming monk or attribute at least minimum slot of a day to rehearsal as one, at least practice life of sadhu or sadhviji for 48 minutes. During this 2 ghadi or 48 minutes, the practitioner vows to limit himself or herself to a no belonging of own, no sinful thought, no action, no external aggression or regression. Only boundaries of katasan he or she sits over is the area to his or her parigraha. Practitioners vows to Guru, Bhante, about his withdrawal or her withdrawal from all other activities in 2 types of doing by self and getting done by others, in 3 types of his or her involvement by man, vachan and kaya, to restrain from all this for coming minimum 2 ghadi. So we can say Jain Sadhu Jivan is a lifetime Samayik, and for Shravak or Shravikas, Samayik is practice Sadhu Jivan for 48 minutes. Karmic Nirjara is the fruit of Samayik. Samayik is 9 vrat out of 12 vrat and first avashyak among 6 avashyaks. So we, the executive committee, thought it will be a great idea to gift ghadi as a membership present. We can use this ghadi while doing Samayik. This ghadi also indicates that time is continuously ticking, slipping away, moving forward, chipping away lifespan. Ghadi reminds us that whatever we want to achieve, to be, to do, to give, now is the time. Tomorrow, we may not have the same opportunity, physically, mentally, or financially. Life is finite, short sometime. We have witnessed passing away of millions due to COVID over the past 2 years, including our family members and friends. We hope this Khadi will make all of us think about time, Samay. Hope all the members will like it, use it, and it will become a good nimit in our continual spiritual journey. Jai Jinendra.